Now it's recording. This is from the last time homework. Okay, so we just quickly go over. Okay, all right. So we have two vertical lines, two vertical angles. Okay, so two intersecting lines formed what? Pair of vertical angles. Okay, so 2x equals y minus x. We know that. Okay, 2x equals y minus x. And we have two variables there. We need another one. Okay, we need another one from here. This is supplementary angle. We learned already. Okay, sum of these two angles is 180. So y plus x, I'm going to write down over here, y plus x and plus y minus x is going to be 180 degree. So this 1x is out, 2y equals 180. Okay, so what is the value of y? Yep, y equals to 90. Using this one, we can find the value of x over here. Okay, because y is 90, 2x equals 90 minus x, plus x, and plus x, 3x equals to 90. That's right. 3 equals 90. I'm going to move down over here. So when you divide by 3, x equals 30. Okay, so x equals 30, y equals 90. Is it okay? All right, the next one, number 2. This and this is what? They are vertical angles. Okay, but there's nothing obvious. What is these numbers? We don't know. Maybe you move this angle the other side. They are vertical angle, they're gonna be equal this number. I'm gonna write down over here 4x minus 10 over here. That's the measurable angles. But this is the right angle, 90 degree, the other also 90 degree. Sum of these two angles must be equal to 90, right? 4x minus 10 and another x, that's gonna be 90. 4x plus x is what? 5x, and the plus 10 and plus 10, 100, and divided by 5, the value of x equals 20. It's okay. All right, number 3. Yeah, this is vertical angles. That must be equal. I'm going to set the equals to y equals is actually equal to this angles 3x plus 6. So what about this one? How can you find another one? Okay, this angle is actually equals to vertical angle here, right? Using this one, this is straight angles. All three angles is what? Whose sum add up to 180, right? Straight angles. So you can add all this one. 3x plus 6 and x minus 10 and x minus 11. And you add all these numbers. 3x plus x is what? 5x. 6 minus 10 is what? Negative 4. Another negative 11 is what? Negative 15. This one is actually equals to 180. Straight angles. So plus 15 both sides. So 5x equals to 195. After that, you can divide by 5, right? So finally, you got this one, 39. Okay, that is the value of x. So x equals 39. After you find the x, you can find the y also. Y equals 3 times x. Y equals 3 times 39 and plus 6. Okay, that is 117 plus 6. Okay, 39 times 3 is what? 117 and plus 6 is 123. Okay, just try to use vertical angles. We did already congruent and supplementary angles. Sometimes complementary angles. That's it. Okay. This is 3x. This one is vertical angles over here, right? So I think you better use this one. 3x vertical angles over here, they are equals 3x. This is the right angle. The other also the right angle, 90 degrees. Sum of these two equals to 90 degrees. That's complementary angle, okay? So 2x plus 3x equals to 5x. And still negative 10 equals to 90. Plus 10 both sides, 5x equals to 100. And divided by 5 is 20. So x equals 20 there. How can you find the y there? Because this is what 20 is 60, right? That is what supplementary angle. Sum of these two angles is exactly equals to 180. So 180 take up this 60, right? You'll get the y equals how much? Minus 60 equals to 120. Okay, that's the value of y. Number 5. All together they are what? Vertical angles. Okay, to the left is 68. To the right is what? 4x plus 30 plus minus 2 is what? 4x plus 28. It's correct? 4x, okay, negative 2 plus 30 is 28. Now we have to solve this. So minus 28 minus 28. 40 equals 4x. When you divide it by 4, x equals 10. Okay, x equals 10. That's it. But why? Now take a look at these angles. Supplementary angle. Straight angle is 180 degrees, okay? Because 68 and y is a linear pair. Okay, they are a stand-on linear line. Okay? So y equals 180 minus 68. Okay? That is how much? 112. It's okay. Alright, number 6. We have two parallel lines there. Always, when you have a vertex, you make another parallel line. Okay? I told you. But this angle, what is that? Alternate interior angles. Right? Alternate interior angles, the same angles. This is also 58. This is also why they are alternate interior angles. So sum of these two angles is 80. Okay? 58 plus y equals 80. What is the value of y? Minus 58 minus 58. So you get the y equals how much? 22, right? It's okay. That is 22. That is what additional line. We need this one, okay? Parallel to this line. Alright, number 7. This is 53. This is supplementary, okay? 127 degree. This one is what? Same angle, right? The same matching corner angles or corresponding angles must be equals. This is the vertical of this one, same thing, 53. Okay, they are equals. All three, they are equals, okay? Number 8. This is parallel, these two lines. Okay, this is 54, this is also 54, right? Not this one. Because these two parallel line over here, this is 54, this is 54, because these two lines are parallel. Alternate interior angle, okay? A is 54. This is B, this is also B, right? Alternate interior angles. This is this is not 112. This is outside the 112, inside the how much? 68, okay? 180 minus 112 is 68. 68 and this angle is alternate interior angle, still 68. So I'm going to make another line over here, right? That is a vertex. Make right another parallel line there. All three lines are parallel. This one, what is that? In the same side, sum of these two angles is 180. We learned already, okay? The interior angles, right? The interior, sum of two interior angles in the same side is 180, okay? Or you can extend this line. You can extend this line. If this is A, this is also A, right? Alternate interior angles. So A plus 160 is 180 because they are supplementary angle, okay? So 180 minus 162, A is 18. Yeah, this is also 18. Also, you can add these numbers to 180, right? Sum of the angles in the same side is always 180. Okay, you can use either of this one. This is 98. Also, sum of this one is 98. This is how much? 82. It's okay. So sum of this one, or you can use this one. If this is a B, this is a B. Okay, alternate interior angles. So 180 minus 98, 82. So H is how much? The sum of these two angles, right? 18 and plus 82 is gonna be 100 degree. We have another turning point over here. We're gonna make another line there. And this is 115. That is what? 180 minus 115. 180 minus 115 equals to 65. This is 65. This is 120. That is equals to 60. 180 minus 120 is 60. Now we're going to use alternate interior angles. This is 65. This is also 65. This is 60. This is 60. Angle F is the sum of these two angles. Okay, 65 plus 60, 125. Number 11. Oh, we get the same thing. Make one more parallel line there. This is 50. This is also 50. Alternate interior angles always congruent. They are equal in measure. Okay, and this is 28. This is 28. Okay, G is what? Sum of these two angles. Okay, 50 plus 128 is 178. No, 78, not 170, okay? 78. This is the same thing. This maybe you can extend the line. I'm gonna looking nice. I'm gonna keep the you looking nice up here. Okay. That is a parallel line. This is transverse, okay? I'm gonna make another line there. Move up there, okay? Also parallel line. This is K. This is angle K. This is also K, right? Alternate interior angle. They are equals. Okay? So how much this one? Well, you can use the same side. How much? Parallel line. In the same side, 180, right? So this is a 50. Or this is a 50. We know that 180 minus 130 is a 50. This angle, alternate interior angle, still 50. So this angle K and the 50 is equal to the 96. So K plus 50 is actually equal to the what? Sum of these two angles is 96. And minus 50 together what value of K? Take off 50. K equals what? 46. Okay? K equals 46 is the answer. Alright, move on number 13. Also, you can use what? Additional line to make it easy. Okay? This additional line should be a parallel to the other line. Okay? This is a parallel. Now you can apply this is kind of transversal, right? This is 35. Yeah, this is 35 because they are corresponding side, matching corner angles. It's the same angles. This is 40. This is also 40. That's right, corresponding angles. Or you can use it. This is 40, this is 40, and these two alternate interior angles. You can go this way, but no problem, right? That's the corresponding angles. So X is the sum of these two angles. 35 plus 40 is 75. This is the matching corner angles, 60. The other matching corner over here. 180 minus 60 is what? 120 degree because these two angles are supplementary, which sum is what? 180. Okay, so A equals to still 120. They are corresponding angles. Okay, so matching same corner angle. That is 120. Okay, now today we're gonna do new topics over here. Okay, so interior and exterior angles. When you have a triangle there, triangle ABC, angle 1 angle 2, and angle 3, we set interior angles of a triangle. Because inside triangle, interior angles. But what are the exterior angles? Exterior angles, we're going to define this way. One of the side extended this way. I'm going to take this side, extend it this way. But this extended line and the adjacent side, this we said adjacent side. Okay? They formed what? An angles there. This angle is called exterior angle. Outside angles. Also, this is exterior angle. Extend to one of the side. Or you can use, you can extend this line too. It doesn't matter. It's just, but it's gonna be same angles. Okay? Alright. So I just use only one side there. This angle 6, this angle 5, this angle 4 is called, they are called what? Exterior angles. But there's a very interesting property there. This angle, exterior angles, is how much? It is equal to the what? Sum of these two interior angles, but not this one. These two interior angles is what it is. We said non-adjacent. This is adjacent of this angle, right? Non-adjacent interior angle. Or remote, you can use remote. Okay, far away from these angles. So actually what? Angle measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 is exactly equals to measure of angle 5. That we said exterior angle theorem. First we're going to memorize sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degree. This we did it last time, right? Oh, this we did it, okay. Okay. And the exterior angle is equal to the what? Sum of two non-adjacent or remote interior angles. We did this one before, right? Another one over here. Exterior angle and each one exterior angle. This is interior angle, each exterior angle always supplementary. Sum of these two interior and each exterior angle always 180. So measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 5 equals to 180 degree. They are supplementary angles. Okay, don't forget this one. I think exterior angle, what is that? Measure of one exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of what? Each two remote interior angle. And measure of angle 4 should be equal to a measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2, okay? Over here. How can you find the value of k there? This value of k is what? This adjacent angles? Nope. Sum of these two remote angles, interior angle, okay? So k equals what? 75 plus 30 equals to 105. Or maybe you can go this way, because the sum of all interior angles is 180. When you add these two is 75 plus 30, right? Subtract from here, 180. 180 minus 75, 80, this is 105. So this one equals how much? 180 minus 105 is 75. After that, you can find exterior angle. 180 minus 75 again, 105, right? Okay? But this is 105. It's okay? Because this angle actually what is 180 minus 75 plus 30. This angle how much? 180 minus, or take it this one. 180 minus 75 plus 30. When you simplify 180 minus 180 plus 75 plus 30. So 180 out. This exterior angle always was 75 plus 30 because first two 180 cancelled out. It's okay. The number 3. This is exterior angle, extended one line. These two remote interior angles. How can you find the value of x? This exterior angle equals to the sum of these two angles. So 9x minus 14 must be equals to what? Sum of these two angles. Remove two angles, 3x plus 7 and 45. This one, one more times, 9x minus 14 equals to 3x plus 2 like terms there, 52. Okay, now we're going to isolate the variable terms and constant to separate. This will move to the right, plus 14, right? Plus 14, that is out. Okay, minus 3x move to the left. This is out, left hand side we got only 6x, right hand side 52 plus 14 is 66. Okay, so when you divide it by 6, x equals to 11, right? The value of x is 11. Another one over here, but this time I want you to try this one, okay? Everyone try number 4, okay? Apply the exterior angle theorem, okay? Okay, so if you got the answer, you let me know, okay? You chat to me or you can talk to me. Angle KLM, the triangle. Angle A is what? I'm going to use different color. Angle L is 70. Angle M is 50. This is extended line. This is exterior angle LKN. Okay, what is the measure of angle LKN? How much is that? Anybody can have the answer? Let me see. 120. That's right. 120, right? 70 plus 50. Sum of two remote interior angle. Okay, 70 plus 50 equals 120. Excellent. Okay, now try number 5. Everyone try number 5. Okay, everyone try number 5. Angle A is 60. Angle ABT is 125. Angle ABT, this is exterior angle, right inside 125. What is the measure of angle ACR? This angle. Oh, so outside another one. Can you guys try this one, number 5? You're gonna use one of the exterior angle, 125. 125 is the sum of two remote interior angle, right? ACR 115. Okay. This angle is how much? Sum of these angles 125. This is 65. It's okay? 60 plus 65 is 125. This is now supplementary, right? 180 minus 65. 180 minus 65 equals what? 115. Okay? Yeah, this angle is 115. Excellent. Okay, try one more, number 6. Okay, try number 6. Where is the angle B? There's no angle B. Okay. Okay, this is something wrong, right? AC extended to D. This is, I think, AC extended to D. And AB equals CB. AB equals CB. These two sides equals. Okay, what is the value of X? Okay. No. For what value of X, we're gonna show the right. These two sides is congruent, which is isosceles. Is okay. Isosceles means what is that? These two angles must be equal, right? What is that? 180 minus 72. Okay, 124. I got the 124 here. That is how much? 108. Sum of these two base angles are 108 because to be equal, these two angles must be equal, right? So 108 divided by 2 equals 54. Each angle is 54 and 54. So this angle is how much? This angle how much? Exterior angle must be equal to the sum of these two remote two angles. So X equals 54 plus 72, right? That is 126. Okay, very good. Good job. Alright, try number 7 now. We have another kind of exterior angle, okay? Try this one. Okay, side AC extended D with the angle DAB in terms of X variable. Angle DAB, this one exterior angle equals now 180 minus 3X. And MB equals what? 6X minus 40. And angle C is what? The X plus 20. What is the value of X? Okay, find the BAC, okay? BAC, you're going to find this angle. Anyway, we need to find the value of X, alright? Using the exterior angle theorem. Can you find the value of X? This exterior angle equals to sum of these two remote interior angle, okay? So remote interior angle, 6x plus 40 plus x plus 20 equals 180 minus 3x, that's it. Okay, sum of two remote angles equals to the measure of what? Exterior angle. Like terms, 7x minus 40 plus 20 is what? Negative 20 still equals to 180 minus 3x. I'm going to keep the variable left hand side. Plus 20, plus 20. This out. 180 plus 20 is 200. Now plus 3x, plus 3x. This is out. 10x. 10x equals to 100, okay? From here we got what? The value of x. X equals 200 over 10 equals 20. This is the value of x. But we're going to find what BA is here, right? This is how much? 180 minus 3 times 2. 60, right? 180 minus 60 equals 120. This angle is 120. But we're going to find the angle BAC, this angle, right? Supplementary again, right? 180 minus 120 is what? 60 degree, okay? That's the angle BAC. Any questions about this? Alright, now this is the homework. Number 1, number 2. We did already, okay? If you need help, okay, you can watch the video, okay? Right after class, I'm gonna put this one on okay, YouTube, okay? Alright, this one. And this is only 4, okay? But we're gonna go with the next one. Triangle property. Type of a triangle. Every triangle has their own each name, okay? Their own name there. First one, by side, based on side. We are talking about only side, not the angles. All sides different. All sides is equal. 3 sides is equal. 2 sides equal. No side equal. Okay? All 3 sides equal is what? Equilateral triangle. Only 2 sides equal, isosceles. No side equal, they are all different side. We said different side. All different side is scalene triangle. That's a different name. Equilateral and isosceles and scalene. Alright, you have to memorize by the side. The next one is based on angle. Don't care about the side, just care about the angle. The first angle is all angles is less than 90. We said the triangle is acute triangle. Memorize acute triangle, or less than this angle, not side. This angle, they are all less than 90 degree. Now we got only one right triangle. Okay? This is, we said, right triangles. So okay, no. Only angle, right? Let me see. A little mistake over here, I think. This is only one right. We don't care about the side. Okay? We don't care about the side. Okay, we don't care about the side. It doesn't have to be equilateral triangle, okay? All angles is less than 90 acute triangle. One of the angle is 90, that is a right triangle. One of the angle is greater than 90, right? That is opposite triangle. This is wrong. I think this is a longer than it looks like this one. One angle is about greater than 90, okay? Use this one. This is wrong, I think. So by the angle is what? Acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle, okay? Okay, angle sum property. Sum of all angles of interior angles is 180. We did before, right? Okay, the next one. Angle inequality property. This is very important. Because every triangle has what? 3 sides. 1 side, 2 sides, and 3 sides. But we can choose any 2 sides. You want to choose A and B. Sum of these 2 sides is greater than C, right? Because this is shortcut, straight line. Sum of this one detour, already greater than C. Or you can choose B and C greater than A. Or if you add these two, sum of these two is greater than B. This is a triangle inequality. Okay, can you see it over here? You can try this one. Triangle inequality. There are 3, right? But we're gonna have reduce this one equations over here. One formula. I'm gonna especially choose A. This A is what? Less than B plus C over here, right? A is less than B plus C. I'm gonna specify A. From here, A is what is that? C minus B, or A is what? Greater than B minus C, right? From here, A is greater than minus C is B minus C. This one together, we can say difference. A is greater than difference. Okay? So that's why we use the B difference. Difference between these 2 numbers, but less than sum of these 2 numbers. If we choose some special side over here. That is triangle inequality theorem. For examples, if this is 5, okay, and this is 9, this is x. This one triangle, ABC is a triangle. Okay, what is the possible value of x? What is the possible value of x? It should be triangle. X should be what? Less than sum of these 2 sides. 5 plus 9 is less than 14. Greater than their difference. 9 and 5 difference, how much? 9 and 5 difference is 4, right? So if x is greater than 4 or less than 14, this figure ABC can be a triangle. What happened over here? X is 2, less than 4. But x should be greater than 4. What is x is 2? This is 5, this is 9, this is 2. Short. It's okay? Because we have 3 sides. 2, 5, 9. Okay, I'm going to write down 2, 5, and 9. If this is 2, we got the 3 sides, 3 lengths, 2, 5, and 9. This is 9, we can use the 9 is the longer side. 2 is over here. 5 is up to here. Total is 7. Still, we don't need, okay, they're empty over here. They never make a triangle. Okay? This lot, this one, and largest one. To be triangle, 2 and 5 must be greater than 9, or a little must be greater than 9. From here, they can make a triangle, okay? So you have to memorize the formula, okay? Now this is Pythagorean theorem. You guys know already this one, okay? The leg square, another leg square equals what? Hypotenuse square, okay? The next one. This is another, triangle property. If A is the greatest angle, angle A is what? Greater than any other angles. Then opposite side is what? Longer side, because this is open wide. If this is the greatest angle, opposite side also a longest side. If this angle is the smallest angle, this is the shortest side. Okay? It depends on opposite angles. Okay? Over here. If A is the longer side, angle A is what? Greatest angle. Reverse way. If angle is greatest angle, this is the greatest angle. Opposite side is also longer side. Okay? Yeah, this is the theorem. Exterior angle theorem we did already the last chapter, right? Yeah, exterior angle always what? Sum of its remote to interior angles. Okay? Another one is a 360, 90. This is called a special right triangle. This is very important. Special right triangle. 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. When you have a special right triangle, yeah, there's a special ratio of side. There are three sides, there's a special ratio. Between 90 to 60, if this one, hypotenuse 2x, I'm going to write this one. Hypotenuse, right? The length of hypotenuse 2x. But adjacent of 60 degree, this side. This side is what? Shorter than the other side, okay? This is the shorter side. I'm going to just shorter leg, okay? Short leg. This was a longer leg. This is a longer leg. Shorter leg always half of these numbers. When you have a 60, if this is 2x, this is x, half of this x. Longer side is what? Just the red 3 times to this x. Now you got what? This side. Okay? Special ratio is what is that? 1, 2, red 3, right? 1, 2, red 3. Shorter leg is x. Long leg is what? X times red 3. Just what? Square root 3 to the x. Hypotenuse 2x. For example, if we have this is right angles. This is 30 degree, 60 degree, this side is 20. Adjacent of this 60 degree, this is already half of this number, it's gonna be 10. The next one, longer leg is what? Red 3 times this one. So red 3 times 10 is what? 10 times red 3. Okay, 10 square root 3 is the length of what? AC. Okay, this is always what? Half of this one. Why is it half of this one? Maybe you can prove this one. Okay, we can prove this one. Why this is here? There's no proof. Why we can prove this one? I'm gonna divide this right triangle into two. One is a right equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. This one, this one, this one. Equilateral triangle. This is x. This is x. Also, this is x. That is the equilateral triangle. Okay. This is a 60 degree. So this will angle how much? 180 minus 60, 120 degree. This is 60 degree. What is this angle? 30 degree, right? Complementary angle. 90 minus 60 is 30 degree. Another 30 degree over here, right? This is isosceles. So these two legs are equal, right? Opposite sides are equal, didn't it? We're gonna do isosceles the next chapter, okay? What that means? If this is x, also this is x. So this is x, another x, total is 2x. That's why this hypotenuse is always twice of this length. Now you can apply right there, Pythagorean theorem, right? If this is 2, just simply, this is 2, I mean this way, right? This is 2, this is 1, what is this one? 2 squared is 4, minus 1 squared is 1, it's going to be red 3, right? That's why red 3 times these numbers. So red 3 times x using Pythagorean theorem. Okay, just memorize special right triangle. When you have a 30, 60, 90 degree, there's a very special ratio between three sides. One more times. If this one is 5 over here. This is 60. What is the length this side? Twice, okay? Adjacent over twice, that is 10. What is this side? That's the 5 times red 3. That's it. That is special right triangles. Are you guys okay? Alright, the next one, most important topics of your side splitter theorem. Okay, this is kind of similar, right? Because similar. You understand, right? What is similar? Similar is the same shape, different size. Similar means the same shape. But different size. That's the similar. For example, if this is, I'm going to use some numbers. 3, 4, 5, a right triangle. Okay, this is 3 and 4 and 5 right triangle. Similar means what? Every side increased by 2 times. Times 2. This is we set dilation factor. Every side increased by 2 times. Or vector of proportion. Okay, vector of proportion that increased by 2 times. So what is that? Same shape. This is a 6. This corresponding side 2 times 5 times 2. And then we set these two figures exactly similar, because you can see that every corresponding side what increased by 2, right? 6 over 3, 10 over 5, 8 over 4, they are all what? Equal 2, isn't it? Or 3 to 6 corresponding side, 3 to 6, and the 4 over 8, and corresponding side 5 over 10, still equal. They are 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. Okay, this is we said they are similar. But angles doesn't change. Angle A, angle B, angle C. This I'm going to do A prime, B prime, C prime. Angle A doesn't change. In similars, angles doesn't change. Only what? The length of side is changed. Okay? Over here. This doesn't change. ADE looks like this one. This is ADE, and large one is what? A, B, C. They are similar, right? Because the angle doesn't change. It's the same shape. They are similar. This is angle A, angle A is equal. This angle equal. Because they are parallel, this angle and the other side angle, corresponding angles, they are already equal. So this angle equal this one. This also what? Corresponding angles, okay? They are equals. So angle this one equals. Okay, only angle not change. These two triangles are only what? Different sides. They are similar. Okay? Alright. Using that similar, that is a very important theorem there, side splitter theorem. Side splitter theorem is A to B must be equal to C to D. That is a side splitter theorem. Or A to C, B to D. It's same thing. Corresponding, this is a relative ratio, right? A first, B is the second, B is the first, D is the second. This is also a side splitter theorem. Okay? Why this theorem is working? Take a look. We're going to expand this one, parallel, make a parallel here. This is a parallel. This is a parallel. We did already, okay? This is a parallel. So this angle equals to this angle, right? No. Matching cone angle. This angle is equal to this one, right? Because they are corresponding angles. This angle and this angle also equals corresponding angles. They are parallel. This angle and this angle, they are always equals. Actually, what is that? This triangle and the other triangle are similar. Take this side is over here. It's the same length because they are parallelogram. Okay. So corresponding side, what is that? A over C, okay, or A over B equals C over D. You can use it, okay? A over B equals C over D. Or corresponding side, A over C corresponding side, okay? A over C equals what? B over D. Using the similars, we just find out what? Side splitter theorem. Not base. We don't care about this one, okay? Only side. This is side, this is a side. So we're gonna have some practice, okay? But I think you understand this one. Okay, number one, given two sides, find the possible length of the third side. What is the possible length of a third side? This side, what is that? One of the side is what? Less than sum of the other two sides. 10 plus 16 equals what? 26. But greater than difference of two sides. 16 minus 10 is 6. Any numbers between these two is possible. X is greater than 6 but less than 26. That's the formula. You can choose any numbers. You can choose a 7, integer, 10, or 25. Any numbers is okay. Just show the right this inequality. The number 2. In a triangle, the measures of two sides is given. What is the possible third side? We're going to apply triangle inequality, right? To be triangle, third side x. Okay, use the third side x. What is x? X is what? Less than sum of these two sides, 24. But greater than their difference, 15 minus 6. Difference is 15 minus 6, okay? Is what? 6. Any number between 6 and 24. It can be equal 6, okay? It should be greater than 6, but less than 24. It can be 24. Number B is what is it? Same as before. 5 plus 8 is less than 13, but greater than their difference is 3, right? Any numbers. Same thing. 15 plus 18 is what? 33. 18 minus 15 is what? 3. Any numbers between 3 and 33 is possible. They formed what? Triangle. This one is what? 20 plus 32 is what? 52. And that difference is 12. Any numbers between these two, all these three numbers formed what? Triangle. Okay? Okay, we're gonna have about 5 minutes break right now. So everybody come back here right now. Let's find out. Okay, what time is it? 7:50. Come back here. Okay, 8 p.m. Okay. So take some break. Come back here in 10 minutes. Okay. Take a break. Okay, now let's resume the class. Number 3, decide whether each set of numbers is a triangle. Okay, so this using these three sides can make a triangle. We can check it out. You can choose any point. You want to choose 9. Okay, choose 9. 9 is what? Less than sum of these two numbers, 27. Greater than difference of these numbers, 3. This is true. Yep, using this one, we can create a triangle. This one, this time you're going to use 16. It doesn't matter. You can choose any numbers. Okay? 23 or 16 or 7. 16. Choose this number. Sum of these two numbers is 30. 20 plus 7 is 30. Difference of these two numbers how much? Is 23 minus 7 is 16. 16 is not greater than 16. This is wrong. Using this one, we can't make right correct because this is 23 over here. The other side is 16. The other side 7. Equal. Over here. This is what? Flat. It's not triangle, okay? This point, straight line is there. Okay? This is no. You can choose anything. This times, or you can choose 23 is okay too. If you choose the same questions, okay? Instead of using 60, I'm going to choose 23. 23 is less than sum of these two. 23. This is wrong, right? 23 is not less than 23. They are equals. From here, okay, and the sum of these two difference is 9. But this side is okay. The other side is no good, right? So you don't have to take both. So just one. I'm going to choose this smallest one, 5. Sum of these two is 25. Difference of this is 5. This is 5 is not equals to 5. It's okay? So this is a flat. This is you can't make triangles. Over here, I'm going to this one second one. 9 is less than sum of these two is 22, but greater than this is already 10. 9 is not greater than 10. This is wrong. Okay? Because this is 16. This is only 6 over here. This is from here, there is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15 only. It's short. This is too much short. This is, you cannot make a right triangle. This is no. Okay, number 4, name the largest and smallest angles. Okay, so smallest, longest. Shortest side is what? Opposite smallest angle. Which one is shortest side? This is what? Short. Compare 6 and 7 short. So this angle should be smallest angle, okay? Smallest angle should be angle C. Where is the largest one? We're gonna find, okay, largest angle. Longest, which one is the longest angle? 7 is the longest angle. Opposite angle must be largest right angle, okay? This is the largest angle is A. Smallest angle is C. It's okay? The next one, list side in order. First, the list side in the smallest first, this one. This is what smallest angle. So this side is what shortest side. AB is shortest side. The next one is what 65. Opposite side AC, right? AC is the next longer than AB. Where is the largest angle? 70 is the largest angle. Opposite side is the longest side. BC is the longest side. Okay, you can list it this way. Alright, number 6, triangle. Find the side with the longest angle. Which side is the longest length? Check it out. A equals 59. B equals, I'm going to approximate, B equals 61. What about C? Sum of these two, 61 plus 59 equals what? 120, right? But 180 minus 120, this side is 60. Okay, to find the longest length, right? Longest length, well, we're going to find what? Greatest angle. Which angle is the greatest? This angle is the greatest. This one should be C, right? So opposite side, longest length, what is that? AC is the answer. This is what? The length of a side, okay? This is not the length of this is just what? The side. This one means a side. AC is what? The length. Okay? This one some numbers. AC is some number. This one is the bar over here. That means what? Side. We're gonna find the side is what you have to answer this way. Okay? Side AC. but there's no side over here. That means that this one's some measurable angle, 5 or 6 or something like that. That is a measure, okay? Number 7. The diagram shows rectangle ABCD, diagonal BD over there. What is the perimeter of rectangle ABCD? This is special right triangle. Rectangle means all sides are, all angles are right angles. This is a 60 degree. This is 30 and 60 and 90 degree special triangle. We know that this is hypotenuse. The total side adjacent to 60, that is half of this number always, which is 10. The long leg is what is that? 10 times rad 3, that is the formula, right? Just multiply rad 3 to this total side. This is 10, opposite also 10. This is 10 rad 3, opposite also 10 rad 3. What is the perimeter? 10 rad 3 plus 10 rad 3 is what? 20 rad 3. 10 plus 10 is what? Equals 20. Because this is irrational, this is rational, you can leave it this way. It's okay, right? A little more classwork over here. In the diagram below, DEBC is parallel. DEBC is parallel. That means what? Triangle ADB, ADE, I'm going to write down over here, triangle ADE and triangle ABC, they are similar. Now we can apply side splitter theorem. AD is 3, AB is 6, AB is 9, DB is what? 6. Is okay? 3 to 6. Total is 9, that's fine. AE is 5. Now we're going to find EC is X. This is side, not base. Okay, we are talking not about the base. This is not about this length base. Side and side. This is side splitter theorem. 3 to 5 equals to 6 to x. That's the formula, right? 3x equals 5 times 6 is 30, and divided by 3 is what? Which is x is 10. Or you can use this ratio, 3 to the 6 this way. That is your relative ratio we said. Same side. 3 to 6 equals to 5 to the x. Same things. When you cross multiply, still 3x equals 30, right? It's the same equations. Okay? You can use either of this one, corresponding or relative ratio, okay? This one I use corresponding. Now that is relative, okay? That is 3, 5 relative. 3 and 6 is what? This is a corresponding ratio. This is a relative ratio. In the same triangle, 3 left, right, okay? Remember side splitter theorem, okay? Number 9, we have a diagram triangle ABC, point DE, and they are parallel. AC and D parallel. So that means what? Triangle DB, this one and the large one, they are similar. So we can use what? Side splitter theorem too. AD is 24. This side is 24. DB is what? 12. And the EB is 15. What is the BC altogether? Well, I'm going to put this one first. That's the side splitter theorem, okay? You can use any ratio. So 12 over 15 equals to 24 over x. That's the side splitter theorem. Cross multiplications, 12x equals 15 times 24. After that, you can divide. This x is, I'm going to use 24, right? That is better, okay? Because we use the x over here. Divided by 12. This is 1, this is 2, which is 30, right? X equals 30. But we're going to find the BC all together. So 30 plus 15 equals what? 45 is the answer, okay? The length of BC equals to 45. Number 10, they are parallel. This is also side split theorem because there is no triangle. When you extend this one, there is a triangle, right? It's the same thing. Anyway, there's a triangle, right? Okay? That's just their side split theorem. 10 over 8, I'm going with this one, okay? Corresponding side, 10 over 8 equals 12 over x, that's it. Or 10 over opposite side, 12 equals to 8 over opposite side x. That's the side splitter theorem. When you cross multiply, you're going to have the same equations. 10x equals to 8 times 12. This also what 10x equals to 8 times 12. Same equations. After that, you need divided by 10. Okay? Divided by 10 over here. X equals 96 divided by 10. 96 divided by 10 equals what? 9.6 is the answer. Okay? Number 11, sum of all interior angles is 180. We know that. Sum of this one is 3x plus 3x plus 2x is 8x. The constant number 10 plus 10 is 20. It's going to be equals to 180 degree. So minus 20 and minus 20, you got 8x equals to 160 divided by 8, x equals 20. So angle A is what? 3 times 20 is 60. Angle B is what? 3 times 20 and plus 10 more, 70. 2 times still 20 and plus 10, how much? 50. It's okay? That total is about 180 anyway, right? The next one will be in a right triangle where one of the measures 30 degree. This is 30 degree, one of the angles. And what is the ratio of the length of the side opposite the 30 angle? Yeah, this is a right angle, okay? They said it's a right triangle. One of the acute angle 30, the other one is 60, we know this. What is the ratio of the length side opposite 30? Opposite 30 this length. And another opposite length to the length of side opposite 90 degree. 90 degree opposite, this is B. But we're going to find the ratio, right? A to B, isn't it? But we know that there is a special right triangles between the ratio between three sides is what it is. If this is a 2x, this is a 1x, how about it? 2x, 1x, and this is what? X times the red 3. But x is cancelled out. We need just a ratio, right? So A is 1, B is 2, right? So 1, 2, 2 is the answer, okay? You guys okay? Alright, number 13, the accompanying diagram shows two cables of equal length. They are equal lengths. 40 meters, 14 meters, and they are anchored to point in the ground that are 40 meters apart. This is what? 40 meters. So this is equal, which is what? Equilateral triangle, okay? Okay, what is exact height of the pole? This is exact height. Height is what? Perpendicular to the base. That's the height. Or some other word is what? Altitude. Always perpendicular to the base. This is we said base. How can you find this one? Equilateral triangle. 14, 14, 14. Each angle is 60 degree. But this is the angle by 60 exactly divided by 2, right? Half of this one is 60 divided by 2 is 30 degree. What is that? Special right triangle. If this is 14, adjacent of 60, half of this is 7. Or this is what? Bisect opposite side, okay? Or 7. This pole is how much? Red 3 times 7, right? So 7 red 3 is the length of this pole. 7 red 3 is the answer. Okay, number 14 there. What is the length of altitude of an equilateral triangle whose side the length of 8? We just finished already the same questions. This is 60, this is 60, this is 60 equilateral triangle. Altitude, length. Altitude is perpendicular to the base. We're going to find this one. Each length is 8. This is what, or 4, isn't it? Half of this one, 4. Or this length equals. That's another example, another formula, right? This altitude always bisect the opposite side. So this is 4, this side how much? 4 times just red 3, okay? That's the height of this side. An equilateral triangle has a side of length 20. Still 20, 20, 20. What's the height? The same thing. This is 60 degree because equilateral triangle. This is 60. This is 30 degree, half of that. This is 30, 60, 90 special triangles. This side is 20. This side how much? Half of this one, 10. This side is just red 3 times 10. 10 red 3. That is what? 17.3, right? Red 3 is what? 1.7321, okay? Use your calculator. Alright, number 16 there, a accompanying diagram shows a revolving door, right? This is a revolving door, okay? Each of the 4 feet the long leg of here. This is, we have 3 panels there. That's 4 feet long. What is the width W of here? Between what? These 2 panels. How can you find that each one is what? 120 degree, right? Okay, this is also 120 degree. Total of interior angle is 180. 180 minus 120 is what? The sum of the rest 2 angles is 60. So each one is 30, right? 180 minus 120 equals 60. You can divide it by 2. Each one has a 30 degree. This is 30. This is another 30 degree. Now let's make one more perpendicular line. This is 30, this is the right angle, this one gonna be what? 60, right? This is what? Special right triangles. This is 4, right after 60, half of this one is 2 feet. But this side how much? Just a red 3 times 2, 2 red 3, another one is 2 red 3. Okay, the length of W between these 2 panels how much? 2 red 3 plus 2 red 3 because they are equal side, okay? 4 red 3 is the length of these 2 panels. Is okay? I'm going faster. That's okay. All right. Because this is gonna recording, okay? So you can watch video tapes, okay? Help you out, okay? The number 17, the length of leg of right triangle. Right triangle is where you have 2 legs. This is a leg, this is a leg, this is hypotenuse. One is 5, that one is 7. Again, in this case, what is the length of hypotenuse? You can use, right, Pythagorean theorem. Hypotenuse square, this angle D equals how much? Square root 5 square plus 7 square. That's a Pythagorean theorem, okay? That is equals to 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, total equals to how much? 64? No, 74, right? That's all. That's the simplest one. The number 18, in right triangle again, angle C is 90. This is angle C, that is 90. AC equals 7, AB equals hypotenuse now, 13. What is the length of BC? Pythagorean theorem, right? You can use this one. 7 square plus x square equals to 13 square is 169. You can use this one. 7 square is 49. 49 plus x square equals to 169. X square how much? Minus 49 minus 49, right? 120. What is the length of this one? Square root 120, right? X equals square root 120. X equals square root 120 is how much? That's no answer there. I'm going to calculate, okay? Square root 120. 10.95. That's no answer. $169 minus 4 square point into 120 is correct. Square root 120 is correct. Square root 20. Okay, anyway, 2 root 30, right? Yeah, 2 square root 30. Okay, anyway, this is the square root 120 equals what? 2 red 30 is the answer, okay? So check out this one. Number 19, the measurable angle of a triangle are represented over here. What type of triangle is this one? Sum of all this is what? 180 degree, okay? Add them all. 2x plus 3x plus 7x, 12x. Minus 15 plus 50, 0, that is equals to 180 degree. When you divide it by 12, you can see that x equals 15. It's okay. Now put this number there. 2x is a 30 degree. 3x minus 15, how much? 3 times 15 is 45, minus 15 is 30 degree. 7x is 105, plus 1 is 120 degree. We have this one. 120 and 30 and 30. What is these triangles? Isosceles triangle, okay? Two base angles are equal. That is isosceles. Triangle DEF all together is still same as the number 19, I think, okay? 3x, 4x, and 2x. Total is 9x, and 5 plus negative 10 is what? Negative 10. 5 plus negative 15 is negative 10, and plus is what? 0. That is equals to 180. Now at this time, x equals 20, right? If x equals 20, angle D is how much? Measurable angle D is what? 3 times 20 plus 5 equals to 65. Angle E, measurable angle E is what? 4 times 20 minus 15. 80 minus 15 is still 65. Measurable angle F is what is that? 2 times 20 and plus 10 is what? 30. 50. Okay, so this is a 50 degree. Both two angles is equals 65 and 65. Okay, so angle D 65, angle E 65, angle F is 50. This is F. Okay, so which one is correct? DF equal FE, because what these two angles equal same angle, opposite side also are same side. These two also are same length. So this is true. But that's the same thing. FE, right? Also this same thing. Okay, anyway, this is true. Angle E equals angle F? No, angle E equals angle D, right? But that you know, this is something wrong, okay? I think I'm gonna check this one. DE, DF equals AB, this one. DE equals FE. I'm gonna, oh, this is, oh, DE equals FE, right? DE is not equal FE, that's correct. DF, these two sides, FE, they are equal, okay? This is isosceles, okay? This is the homework. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, numbers 13, 14, 15, 20. A lot of homework there. So next time you're gonna finish by isosceles everything. Okay, after that we're gonna go into new topics. Okay, so this is the homework. Page 22, page 21. For the weekend, okay? Page 19, 20, 3 pages, and also we have a lot over here, page 13. Yeah, that's it, okay? 4 pages homework, okay? 4 pages is your homework. I'm gonna put this video on YouTube right away, okay? If you need the help, you can watch TV, okay? So if you have any questions, you can email to me, okay? I can help you out, okay? All right, also next time, okay? I'm gonna put this one on YouTube right away, okay? Thank you, everybody. You guys have a great weekend. Thank you.